So guys, ang mahal ng mga 360 cameras ngayon, Insta360, DJI Osmo 360, usually nasa 25 to 30,000 and above yung mga presyo niyan. Pero guys, eto 12,000 pesos lang, meron ka ng decent 360 camera. This is the Akaso 360 action camera they call. Perfect guys, pang first 360 camera kung gusto mo lang subukan without breaking the bank. And guys, okay, in this video, mamimigay ulit tayo guys. Of course, every time na gumagawa tayo ng video, every time nag-review tayo, mamimigay tayo guys ng kung ano yung nire-review natin. So mamimigay tayo guys ng isang brand new Akaso 360 action camera sa dulo ng video. So panoorin mo ito hanggang dulo. Once again, this is James Afante, also known as Kuya James. And now, James Pipino, let's roll! So bago tayo sa specs guys, tignan muna natin yung box. In-unbox muna natin to guys. So sa box niya makikita mo na agad, it's very similar sa packaging guys ng Insta360. There's the serials above here. Sabi dito it has a 5.7K 360 video with 72 megapixel 360 photo, 360 super smooth feature, an invisible selfie stick which is a must talaga dapat sa mga 360 cameras yon. A dual 1/2 sensor, a 2.29 inches touch screen, an AI tracking, weatherproofing. What's in the box? It has an Akaso 360, 120cm invisible selfie stick, protective pouch, 1x USB-C cable, battery charging case na isa, 3x battery for 12,000 pesos. That's crazy ha. And lens cloth and quick start guide. So buksan na natin to guys kasi naku-curious na talaga ako. Ang dami nagre-request guys na i-check natin guys kung ano meron to kasi napapaisip talaga sila bakit 12,000 pesos na to. So check natin guys kung talagang sulit ba talaga to. Unbox natin siya. Packaging pala I can say, yung karton na ginamit nila, medyo maganda naman yung quality niya. So, it gives the impression and medyo talagang very similar yung packaging niya talaga sa Osmo and Insta. Okay, ito siya. Ito siya. And this is the invisible stick. I've had both of the Insta360 and DJI 360. Talagang mararamdaman ko talaga guys sa quality pa lang kung may difference talaga sila. So, this is a stick. Try muna natin. Okay, may difference na yung quality, I can say. Medyo, siguro, di ko alam kung bago lang to, pero medyo mas mahirap siyang hugutin. Again, this is just a stick, no? So, pwede ka nang bumili ng third-party stick kung sakaling kailangan mo, or kung sakaling may Insta360 or DJI 360 ka, pwede mo natin gamitin yon. This is the cables. Wow, this is the battery charging case. In fairness, ang liit niya. Again guys, ipapamigay natin ito sa video na to, so panoorin nyo hanggang dulo. So, this is the charging case. Wow, sobrang liit niya. And this is the battery of the 360 camera. So, para siyang battery guys sa mga dating cellphone, no? So, isasalpak mo lang to dyan. Salpak natin dito. Sasalpak natin to dito. So, medyo wiggly siya sa loob, hindi siya fix. Let's check the unit itself. Weight check. Okay, medyo magaan siya compared sa iba. It comes with a pouch and a silica gel. And then, basically, this is the... Wow! In fairness, magandang quality nung ano niya. Okay, check natin siya guys. Let's get it out. Yeah. Wow! Okay, so this is the Akaso 360 camera in our hands. So far naman yung quality niya, maganda naman siya. I can say heavy duty in the palm of my hand right away. Yeah, let's jump on the core features. Pag-usapan natin. Let's go. So pag-usapan natin yung core features naman niya right straight from out of the box. You can actually shoot 5.7K 360 video. You can actually let you reframe later to a landscape or portrait or ultra-wide whenever you can. It also has again a 72 megapixel 360 photo for high-res panoramic shots na kailangan mo. It also has a 360 super smooth stabilization plus horizon style leveling if ever na kailangan din natin siya. It also features an invisible selfie stick. It also features a dual half-inch sensors. I can say because of the price niya, this is a budget size as well. Pero I can say solid na to for daylight shots, no? It also has a 2.29 inches touchscreen na napansin ko na actually very immersive talaga siya kasi napakalaki talaga niya, especially pag ginamit mo siya in real life. It also features again an AI tracking para laging nasa gitna ang subject. It's also weatherproof not waterproof. It's weatherproof. So hindi mo to pwedeng ipang diving agad straight out of the box. Kailangan mo definitely ng some sort of like case, waterproof case para magamit mo siya sa ilalim if ever na kailangan mo. Pero let's say pang ulan, pang ambon, alikabok, I can say this will actually work na. So in this part naman, pag-usapan naman natin image quality, real talk lang like again, this is 12,000 pesos so I want to set your expectations properly. Honest take ko guys dito, hindi ito yung pinaka-sharp definitely right now sa market ng 360 cameras. Again, half-inch sensor lang to. Sa low light, meron ka talagang makikitang noise kasi hindi talaga siya magiging kasing linis ng Insta at DJI. Definitely that's like 50% larger sensor compared sa sensor na meron si Akaso 360. Pero again, for daylight, travel, and outdoors, I can say this is already acceptable and it will do the job. Maganda yung detail, maayos ang stitching, which is very, very important for 360 cameras unless medyo okay lang sa iyo may mga like problema sa mga stitching. And yung colors niya, I can say very, very usable siya. When I say usable, I mean usable talaga. And because 5.7K ang resolution ng capture neto, ang laki ng headroom mo to reframe for reels, shorts na hindi nagiging mushy yung quality ng videos mo. Pag-usapan naman natin sa part na to yung stabilization, yung mga modes, and yung application ng Akasos. Again, it has a 360 super smooth feature which keeps the footage steady kahit na tumatakbo ka or nagbabike ka or nagbomotor ka or kung whatever, like saan mo man i-attach tong selfie stick na to together with this Akaso 360 cameras. It also has an AI tracking which helps you, no, na i-lock yung frame sa'yo or kung kanino mo man siya gusto ituro. It's perfect to for solo creators na let's say mag-isa ka lang talaga nagta-travel or wala kang videographer, then definitely you will need a 360 cameras, and actually dun talaga pinaka-actually talaga nagagamit ang 360 cameras. Another thing, it also has a time-lapse or they call it bullet dash time style. 360 effects to, so nagagamit to for cinematic b-roll whenever na gusto mo gumawa ng mga gimmick na ganon. Again naman, susunod yung Akaso application na to. Ito very, very crucial to. So dito ka mag-reframe, dito ka mag-edit, and diretso mo to pwedeng ma-export pang TikTok, YouTube. It can actually really help your workflow. Feels familiar kung sakaling nasubukan mo na yung mga ibang 360 editing applications from Insta and DJI. So pag-usapan naman natin yung durability, yung tibay, or yung water resistance, or kung waterproof ba si Akaso 360. Again, naka-label po na weatherproof, no? Pag sinabing weatherproof, okay ito sa ambon, pawis, splash, beach winds, alikabok. Pero again, hindi ito dive ready out of the box. If plano mo again mag-underwater, kailangan mong kumuha ng dedicated dive case para safe ang magiging lens at yung mga, meron kasi talaga siya mga gaps or what we call the seams, no? So mounting is, I can say, easy. May standard na 1/4 inch thread siya, which is universal naman to for all mounts and cameras outside there. So kung gusto mo ilagay sa tripod or sa helmet or sa bike mounts, papasok talaga tong Akaso 360 camera na to. So hindi ka naman niya bibigyan ng problema sa mga part na yun. So in this part naman, pag-usapan naman natin yung value nito compared sa mga big brands. So balikan lang natin guys yung presyo. So again, the Insta360 and DJI Osmo 360 are in the price of 25,000 to 30,000 pesos. Even minsan body pa lang yung mabibili mo nung hindi pa kasama yung creator combo. But for the Akaso 360 camera guys, 12,000 pesos. Again, you already have the stick, the charging case, 3 batteries pa yun. Quality, oo, I can say medyo lower siya compared sa low light and overall sharpness compared to those like really like expensive 360 cameras. Pero again, for daily travel, moto POV, family trips, creators on a budget na, which is karamihan talaga ng creators right now out there na gusto lang talaga magkaroon ng 360 immersive shot, you're getting basically 70 to 80% of the experience, I can say, ng Insta360 and DJI 360 at 50% of the price. So that thing, I can say, sulit siya. Plus also, may na-discover ako, ito yung sleeve niya na alala mo, ito na rin yung magiging protective case niya. So pwede mo siya ipasok while nandito yung stick na ginagamit mo, which is hindi rin po nag-a-apply sa mga ibang travel 360 cameras out there. So, para kanino si Akaso 360 camera? Bibilin mo ba siya? Sasagutin natin sa video na to. So, if you're a beginner, students, or casual vlogger na gusto mong matuto mag 360 or gusto mo lang talaga ma-expose for the first time, I can say the Akaso 360 camera can be a good option for you. If you're a traveler or moto POV guys, in a very, let's say, budget-wise ka lang talaga, and naghahanap ka guys ng 360 camera na hindi talaga makaka-apekto guys sa budget mo, sa credit card mo, sa utang mo, or sa bangko mo, again, wala pong tatalo nakikita ko guys sa Akaso 360. Kasi ang kinagandaan guys ng Akaso 360 camera, technically does the job. Like literally does the job. Kung ano yung 360 camera na kailangan mo at kailangan mo siya na makuha mo, magagawa naman niya for you. It's just that na mas maganda lang talagang quality guys ng Insta360 and DJI 360 kasi mas mahal po talaga sila. And if ever naman na you have a small business or let's say real estate agent ka and you need to create a quick 360 walkthroughs para sa business mo, very smart decision din talaga ang Akaso 360. Again, for 12,000 pesos, kompleto ka na, wala ka nang kakailanganin pa unless magda-dive ka, which is kailangan mo lang diving case. But you can really not get this deal outside other brands out there. So, I can say strength ng Akaso 360, price, stabilization is okay, 5.7K capture okay, AI tracking, big box value, stick plus 3 battery charging plus battery case, grabe, sobrang sulit talaga. Limitations niya, I can say low light. If ever talaga alam mo sa sarili mo na medyo sa gabi mo siya gagamitin, then pwede mo munang pag-isipan and I can suggest na go for the Insta360 and DJI 360. And again, wala po siyang kasamang dive case, so kailangan mong bilhin yun. But verdict for 12,000 pesos, I can say this is the best gateway. When I say gateway, ito yung entry point ng 360 camera career mo if ever you want to enter 360 cameras. And I can say guys, this is actually a very good value gift for holiday season if ever na meron kayong gustong regaluhan na content creator out there o gusto mag-start na content creator or YouTuber. Akaso 360 in terms of value is really nice. So okay guys, of course, giveaway time na naman tayo right now in this video. So again, everything na nire-review natin sa channel na to guys, namimigay din tayo ng specific units na yon. So before we do the giveaway mechanics of the Akaso 360 action camera, i-announce ko lang sa video na to guys, yung winner ng previous video natin which is the Tecno Spark Go 2 and Tecno Spark 40C. So ilalabas ko lang yung pangalan nyo guys dito on your screen. If ikaw to, message our Facebook page, Kuya James Afante with blue check mark to confirm your identity and claim your prize. And now again, we're giving away one 360 camera from Akaso. Maraming salamat kay Akaso again to 1 lucky subscriber. So ganito lang guys, paano sumali? I-like mo lang tong video na to, i-comment mo dyan down below ano ang una mong i-shoot if ever na makukuha mo ang Akaso 360 action camera at bakit. Number 3, subscribe. Don't forget guys to subscribe and turn on the notification bell guys kasi i-announce po natin guys sa mga susunod na mga videos yung mga nananalo sa mga giveaways na ginagawa natin dito. And by the way, if ever na naghahanap ka guys or kung gusto mong bilhin to right now ng bagsak presyo, I have attached a direct discount link down below, link in the description para makuha mo to ng discounted price currently right now. And I can guarantee you guys that this is the lowest price you can get out of the Akaso 360 action camera right now in the whole Philippines. Once again, this is James Afante, also known as Kuya James and now James A. Pinoy. I hope guys natulungan ko kayo in terms of the Akaso 360 action camera. See you guys on the next video. Peace out. Bye-bye.